Canada's uncontrollable forest fires have prompted more evacuations. About 8,000 oil sands workers were forced to evacuate Alberta, Canada late Monday, nearly 2 weeks after more than 80,000 other people fled the blazes in Western Canada's Alberta province. The mandatory evacuation order issued by the local municipal government came after 2,400 houses and other buildings were destroyed in Fort McMurray, where fires have been burning since May 1st. The new evacuations threaten to further delay a restart of at least 1 million barrels a day in oil sands production, sidelined by the forest fires. None of the oil sands facilities have sustained damage from the fires, but they have been affected by staffing and logistics issues stemming from the evacuation. The government of Alberta said the wildfire near Fort McMurray had spread to about 1,096 square miles, due in part to hot and dry weather conditions.